You look bored. It's been a boring day. I woke up, pulled trucks, dropped them off, pulled trucks, dropped them off, pulled trucks, and got here. Now I'm pulling trucks to drop them off. Riveting. Does that mean you'd be open to a little bit of fun? Not usually, but $20 is $20. No. I mean in terms of, like, want to have a race? Oh, pissy. That's borderline a cliche. Hey, I've raced a helicopter and a piece of fabric across half the island. Don't underestimate me. Alright, then you're on. Then the first one to take the line all the way to Rushman Terminal, if included, is the winner. Catch up to this! Just you wait. How do you like that? What? Where's all the confidence, Tommy boy? You better step it up. We're almost there. Come on, this downhill slant is my chance. Hey, Passy, can I stop bragging now? Oh, no, not now. Yeah, sorry, Passy. This looks like a wrap to me. Look, I just have one more curve to go around and... Hey, what's going on? Thomas, that's the wrong way! Oh no! Oh no! Stop! Ow. Thomas, are you okay? Now, if this were the mid-2000s, this would be where the narrator says, "Luckily, no one was hurt. But everything hits. Please get Optimus." Oh, okay. I'll go call for her right now. Stay there. Wow. Riveting dialogue from Percy over here. Do you want me to help you or not? That's one.
Event, derailment, victim, Thomas the Tank Engine, location, Rushman Square North.
So, can anyone explain how this happened? Thomas, got anything to say? I don't know. I was just moving forward 1 second, and then the next I was in this siding. That's strange. I'll talk to you both about this once I've got all this cleaned up. Alright, you two. Now I need all the answers you can give me. That's honestly about all I can give you. I know about as much as you do. I was watching from behind. He was going over the points the right direction 1 second, and then all of a sudden he was coming down this siding. Perhaps a faulty truck got stuck in the points and pulled you over. Did any of the trucks you were pulling seem off? Well, you know we've had a bit of an empty truck shortage lately. When Pacey's trucks broke away and crashed, it damaged 10 empties beyond repair. Theobald Yard, where I usually work, was 1 empty short, so I had to nip over to Morgan Yard to borrow one. Thomas, you went to Morgan Yard? Yes? I need you to listen to me. Never go there on your own again. If you're short on a truck, then come get one of us. We'll escort you. Why? It's complicated. Come on, Artemis, don't blame him. It's really more my fault. I was the one who challenged him to race. I actually wasn't blaming him at all. What did you do? Well, you done snitched on yourself. Fuck. I probably don't need to tell you that you shouldn't be racing, but my prior experience with situations like these tells me that Thomas was more than likely bumped by his train rather than it being a speed issue. Yes, ma'am. Although I'm sure the speed didn't help. Don't race again. Now I need to get Thomas to the works. Yes, ma'am. Good luck, Thomas. Thanks. See you later, I suppose. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to take care of both of these now. Okay. This isn't gonna work. Good old Sudrian brakes. Seems like long train. It's very little. I mean, I suppose. Tank engines usually can pull long trains if they have flat ground to get started, and Rushman Square is pretty much flat. Perhaps you are out of the practice. It is no worry. Let's get you to where you need to be. Thanks for your help, Runio. It is no problem. I'm sure the rest of the day will go swimming. Swimmingly, you mean? Wait. Don't jinx it! Don't jinx it! Hey! What's going on back there? Stop that! Oi, that's enough! That's enough already! That's not a recipe for a very pleasant evening. That's two. I said don't jinx it. Excusing me for optimism. How was I to know there would be crash? He's not like good at all. Alright, Cod, I'm afraid it'll be off to the works for you too. Mud in the undercarriage, bent wheels from the old sunken tracks. Well, at least you'll be keeping Thomas company. Percy, Runio, don't worry about these trucks, they can be left at this yard. But I'm afraid you two are gonna have to get really busy. That's 2 engines we're down now, and we already have an empty truck shortage, so we'll have to work extra hard to keep everything moving. Good luck, mates. I'll try my best. It is no worry, me and Percy can handle it. Come on now, we must head back to the yard. Well, this doesn't bode well for the next few days. You'll be fine, just don't overexerting yourself. What's our next job? We are to pick up a train of empties from Theobald Yard, load it up and take it to Murrayston Docks, if I remember correctly. Madam Het told me just before I came here. But Theobald Yard is running seriously short on empties. Yes, 2 or 3 trips may be necessary. And even so, we'll likely have to run ourselves hard to not be late. Well, why don't we go to Morgan Yard? I've heard that the trucks can be a bit faulty, but if we inspect them, I'm sure we'll be fine. Normally, we all stay out of Morgan Yard, but it may be necessary for a while. Plus, the Soto revival efforts managed to revive some trucks some days ago, so there are likely plenty. Just, we would need to be extremely careful. Reviving trucks? You will see. Going to Morgan Yard is fine. Just remember my words. Be careful. Alright. Here we are. Is this a bad time to say I'm a little nervous? Just keep near me and to pick up a few empties. It doesn't matter which. Be careful though. They can be troublesome. Oh, of all the things they could have brought back, I know what they can do, don't worry. Bring them to Theobald Yard now, to get load and break them. Keep close eye on them. So, now to the docks then? Yes. Now that we have break them, they should be in check, but keep wits about you. There could be an especially troublesome one that would love to derail us.
Well, if we did not have our guard up, we would have more than likely been derailed.
Yeah, it was strong enough to push us over the points.
Indeed. And did something similar not happen with your friend Thomas?
Oh, yeah, it did.
God is experienced with goods too, which means the culprit of all this trouble is more than likely on this train.
Really? How can we find him?
I will interrogate the others. If I do not hear the identity of the culprit, I will be sure to shunt you all to the farthest corner of the yard. You will be forgotten until you have cobwebs on your wheels. Watch for incoming trains, Percy. No results. Well, it appears we are heading back to Morgan Yard. The dock workers will understand us being a bit late. If none of you will tell, then surely someone at the yard will.
I hope it works.
I will tell all of you what I have told our train. We currently have a ringleader in our midst. Tell us who it is, or you will be hidden away until your axles have cobwebs. We will pass by. Speak up. It's the blue one. Oh, is it?
Who's there?
Me, over here. They made sure I was hidden away because I know too much. The blue one, his name's Marv and he's dangerous.
Ugh, bloody Murray.
So, it's you, is it?
Fine. Yeah, you got me. I was the one that bumped you over the points. But you have experience.
How illuminating.
You'll be sorry. Oh, yeah? And I heard all that blustering about leaving us all to rot with cobwebs on our wheels, too. Come on, try it. I, and all of my friends, are essential at the moment, aren't we? You need all the empties you can get. And if you're not worried about losing just me, then I'll be happy to rat several of my extra-criminal compatriots out to the police. Extend the shortage just as long as you want. You gotta deal with me, shunters, unless you really do want to hide us all away and extend the shortage on your own terms.
He's right, Percy.
What?
At the moment, we can do nothing. Let us just bite the bullet and keep close watch on it.
Okay. Man, I feel so helpless.
You, Green. Maury, did he say your name was? Come with us.
We could really use your knowledge if Marv is as bad as you say.
Of course. Just couple me up next to him, and I'll keep him in check. After all, he's my brother. I know a lot about him.
Brothers, huh? Well, I'm sure that you'll be a huge help. Thank you.
Hear that, Marv? No more tricks today.
Shut up!
Take it steady, Percy, and focus. We will be okay.
Alright, I trust you. Maury will be a big help, too.
Leading the car down leafy lane, turning out tall down from my jungle chain. We want it all. Captain Zero, his brother superhero, standing by on call.